Hello, good afternoon. I'm Henry Haliman, a student of the Seminary Center of Second. And in this case, I want to explain about explanation text. As we know that explanation text is the text to explain about the process of the phenomena, including of social phenomena, natural phenomena, and cultural phenomena. And then, before we continue, maybe we ask about why we learn about the explanation. We learn about the explanation because in the explanation describe about the how and why the phenomena happen or cause. Okay, from this explanation, there are two kinds of the explanation. The first, natural phenomena, including of fluid and earthquake, and then the second, social phenomena, including of discrimination, intimidation, or racism. Okay, why we call about the social phenomena? We call about the social phenomena because the phenomena is result of the human activity or human action. So we can say that this is about the social phenomena because the social it is regard about the human. Okay, when we know about the phenomena, we know about the phenomena when the give impact for all the people, and then from the phenomena there are types. The first about the synchronal in the past is the process, and in the process we use two question word. The first why, and the second how. Why it is happen and how it is happen. And the second types about the cause and effect, sebab dan akibat. Okay, and from the explanation text have three structure. The first, introduction. In the introduction, we definition about the what the title about, and second, describe when the happen and where is the happen. Okay guys, that's all the definition of the explanation text, and now I want to tell you about example of the natural phenomena. It is about the process of happen rain. The process of rain, it is the natural phenomena that from the cycle rotation of the weather on Earth. And rain, it is the transformation from sea, river or lake or other water source to the atmosphere and then back to the lake. Okay, how the process of the rain? The rain process, it start from the heart of the sun, which make the water surface from the sea, river or lake to the air. The high temperature because of the sun height cause the weather having a condensation, and turns into liquid droplets. The liquid droplets change into the cold, with the help from the wind can move the to the other plate. Then the will reach the atmosphere, which has a low temperature, and this temperature that become the particle of the weather is formed, and that from that become the rain. So we can say that it is about the process of the rain. Okay, that's all the process from the rain, and it is based on the structure of the explanation text. Okay, thank you for your attention.